You've been tortured in the shadows for a long, exhausting night, forced to play a dirty game, a game that took your life. They drugged you and they beat you, and they made you live in hell, a captive while they broke your bones, a smiling empty shell. Somehow you made it out of there to never be the same. You sit inside your quiet room, reliving all that shame, and you're carrying dirty nightmares that make you feel cheap, a broken consolation prize whose scars live in her sleep. He rescued me from my hell too. He's healing me with love. He walks right past your critics, and he claims you for his own. He created us to love. His love will heal your soul. He doesn't ask you what you did or why you had to smile. He kneels right in the dirt with you and shields you for a while. He says, where are your judges now? Has no one stood to stay? You look around through weary tears, and they all have walked away. Then hear the voice of majesty, the only words that last. Neither do I condemn you, child. We're washing clean your past. He doesn't need a vow from you or promises of gold. Instead, he longs to heal you and erase what you've been told. Only he can father you and also be your friend, a holy God protector, a Holy Spirit husband to the end, a comforter, a counselor, a lover of your soul, protector and defender. You will never be alone. He's calling you, his precious jewel. You're chosen in his eyes. In time his love will heal you, demolishing those lies. He's been pursuing you with love since the day that you were born. He never turns, he's never mean. He has no hidden side. His gentle, fierce, relentless love, he comes with no disguise. Just stop and rest now. He is there. Just sit with him.